guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little process video, I guess you could say. I'm making a quilt for my daughter and I wanted you guys to just kind of, you know, see what my progress has been. So I am making the quilt out of this fabric. It's called Princess Dreams and it has unicorns and castles and princesses, and there are some regular prints and striped prints and florals and then just regular unicorns. But anyways, so if you guys want to look it up, that is one that I'm using. Right off the top, if you're watching this video way after I made this quilt, then I am going to write up all the measurements at some point. So either that will be, I'm assuming it will be located at my blog, which is Charmed by Ashley. That'll be in the description box below. But right now, as of February 15th or 16th, 2018, then obviously I don't have anything yet. So just hold out for that stuff. So I just wanted to talk to you about my process because I've only made one quilt and it was just basically like a charm pack quilt that had just these in a row, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 next to each other and then down, so it wasn't anything too crazy. But I'm making this one a little bit different. I'm still using the charm and I'm still using the actual square. I'm not cutting it up, but I wanted to show you how I'm planning it out. This is my, this is the entire quilt right here. I drew it out. I'm using graph paper. It's funny because this was my initial drawing and then my daughter decided that she didn't like it. So this is what we're going with. So we're going with 4 patch, I think they called it. So 4 different fabrics, and then I'm doing white border around. So I started making the other quilt and then she changed her little ideas. So because she did that, I will have white around each one. So it might be a lot of white, I don't know. I'll have to see when it's done. I can't say what it's gonna look like at the end. Like I said, this is my second quilt and I don't really know what I'm doing, but I really want to make this for her as sort of like something she'll have forever, and you know, maybe she'll keep with her forever, and yeah. So this is what we're working with. And like I said, I'll make this available if you guys like the finished product eventually. So I started off with my blocks. Blocks are 5 inches by 5 inches. And then I went and grabbed white, and this is called sashing. And this is a 2.5 piece by 5 inches. So I put that on one side. And then I got another 2.5 inches by 7, so this length, and now I have a 7 by 7 block, and then I will put 4 of them together, and then this is how it will look. So I do have some directional fabric, so I need to make sure that those aren't going to be upside down on the quilt. And then I will have, I think, 45 of these squares. So I'll have a row of 5 at the top and then 7 down the side. So yeah, I think that it'll look really cute. So, you know, like I said, there's white here, and also on the next one, if I would have planned this before, I probably would have only done one row of white, but because I already kind of made all these blocks up separately, so I kind of was like, uh-oh, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And then I probably would have taken, you know, I probably would have made the blocks like this and then just had one whole piece of sashing going down the blanket horizontally. So, but this is my first time, so I don't mind if there's lots of seams because, you know, I'm hoping to actually quilt with my free arm for the first time. So hopefully that you won't even really see the seams. So I went over to Joann's, and this is the batting that I decided to buy. Warm and Natural Needle Cotton Batting. This has no resins or glues, and I got the full-size one just because I am making a twin one, but I figured if I'm gonna make any small projects in the future, then I can have those little scraps on hand. So yeah. So if you aren't already, please follow me on my Instagram because I do post pictures of my progress as well. If you enjoyed this video, or if you think that it's gonna look beautiful, then please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stick around and see the finished product of my quilting. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!